question asks us to calculate the formal charge on the indicated element. Our equation for formal charge equals the number of valence electrons minus half of the bonding electrons minus all of the non-bonding electrons. The non-bonding electrons are the lone pairs of electrons not otherwise involved in a bond. I like to go with a mnemonic for this formula that works better for me and rolls off the tongue a little bit easier. For me, the way I like to do this, the formal charge is wants minus owns. What does that mean? Wants is the number of valence electrons that the element wants to have in its neutral state. Owns is what we have up here. Half of all is the number of electrons that it owns. It owns half of the bonding electrons and all of the non-bonding electrons. So let's apply that formula to aluminum. So the formal charge for aluminum in this molecule then is the number of electrons it wants. That's the number of valence electrons it should have in the neutral ground state. Aluminum should have 3 valence electrons minus the number of electrons it owns. It owns half of the bonding electrons and all of the non-bonding electrons. There are no lone pairs on aluminum, so it doesn't have any non-bonding electrons in this molecule. So it owns half of all of the bonding electrons. So it owns half. There are 4 bonds, 2, 4, 6, 8 bonding electrons, so it owns half of those 8 bonding electrons. Half of 8 is 4, 3 minus 4. The charge on aluminum in this molecule is -1.